Hello, we're back at Malt Miller HQ. I'm Rob, this is Martin. We're just heading into a bank holiday weekend, so hopefully you have loads planned, some brewing, some eating, chilling, time with friends and family. It's going to be an absolutely banging weekend. And we have got something special going on again, haven't we, Martin?
Yes, Rob, this weekend we're going to run our ever so popular Grainfather promotion. This is in conjunction with Grainfather, so we're going to take £100 off every single G Series item. So G30, G40, G70, GC4 and the GF30.
Right, so let's start and look at the G30.
Yeah, I mean the G30's been their original unit, but you know, it's a great all-in-one grain system.
Yeah.
It's what started me on kind of all-grain brewing.
Perfect for someone that's never even brewed before, would be able to purchase that machine and put a brew on in the morning, and by the afternoon they've got work in the fermenter.
Yeah, I mean it's got the Bluetooth controller, it's got all the connection to the app, so it's a great system.
Moving on from there, G40.
40.
Yeah.
That's the big brother, the latest system that they've released. 40 litres capacity, Wi-Fi connection, no central pipe, central draining. It's proving really, really popular.
Yeah,
so this is really the only second time that this has actually been promoted as a product.
Yeah. And so we've got the G70.
G70, it's big brother.
The usability of it is cross between the G40 and the G30 actually, and it's just the 70 litre capacity.
If you're one of those guys who's doing split batch brewing, so you're doing a large batch, you want to do two different yeasts, two different hopping schedules, or if you're a homebrew club, or if you're even a brewery.
Yeah, we've sold loads of the G70s to people that are brewing for more than one person, for more than one family.
Yeah, and breweries pilot kits we've sold them as well. So that's how good this product is that a brewery are using this to actually scale up from. So you've also got the GF30, that's their conical fermenter. Now this is the Wi-Fi model. You can control this from the app. It's double walled, heating built in. It's just a great bit of kit. I mean, we use them here. I use one at home because I love it that much. It's that simple to use. And then if you can connect that up to the GC4, which is
obviously also on offer this weekend as well. So connect the glycol chiller up to 4 of the conical fermenters, and you've got complete plug and play temperature control. What a fantastic setup.
Yeah, and you can also connect other things up to that glycol chiller. You've got the GCA.
Yeah, the GCA kit will allow you to make more or less any fermenter into a temperature controlled, Wi-Fi controlled fermentation answer. Fantastic product.
Yeah, so it's really compatible with pretty much everyone else's fermenters on the market, be that a plastic bucket or a stainless steel conical. So that promo, it's on for a limited time. It's £100 off each G Series unit, or until stocks run out.
Awesome. Wow, what a fantastic time to purchase the G Series unit. Hope you all have a fantastic bank holiday weekend. Don't forget, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Have a good brew.